Hello friends, and welcome to this video. I will show with you how to withdraw money from JustMarket to Binance. So basically friends, it is easy steps. All you have to do, go to your account on JustMarket and go to your real account and then click withdraw option. As you can see here, you don't see any Binance option to withdraw. Just choose, for example, your USDT as a withdraw method, for example this one, and write your all details on your wallet for USDT and choose your blockchain TRC, for example, and write your account address and then choose your amount from here. After that, go to Binance and go to deposit section and click deposit crypto, and you can deposit through your address that come withdraw in JustMarket. Just write your USDT wallet address, select your coin USDT, and then you will withdraw. You will requested deposit successfully on Binance. Just click your USDT wallet from here and write all details here. Thanks for watching guys this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video. Remember guys, choose your withdraw. Choose for example USDT or USDC, for example USDC or Bitcoin. You can also choose the Bitcoins, write your details, your Bitcoins, and then go to deposit section on Binance and then complete your deposit section. For example, choose your Bitcoin here, this option. Thanks for watching this video.